our precision used pin going back in.
The retro pin.
Yeah. Everyone does this. If anyone tells you you can't put a used pin in, they're a liar.
Welcome back, everybody.
Welcome to Wrench and Rip. We are here for part 2 of fixing up the front suspension on this. We got all of our parts in and we're ready to go. So we're going to take you guys along for the ride. Alright, Owen, give us a tour of our parts here. We got old dirty parts there that we are definitely not going to clean before we put back on.
We don't have time for that. We got the rods to go in the middle. Got some hardware, washers, bushings.
These are the things we really needed.
These disappeared on the on the quad.
So
because they were 21 years old and had the original grease in them.
Use code Wrench and Rip. Get yourself a 0% discount.
Wrench and Rip 20.
Okay. Yeah. There you go. And which side do you want to start with? What do you think?
Let's start with the side that was worse. So
okay.
the right side.
We're gonna start with the
your left
passenger side of the quad.
Passenger side, because there's a passenger side of a quad.
There is.
So right now we're cleaning the inside of the A-arms. They're that's from 2 minutes of cleaning. So on one. So they're pretty jam-packed with
mud,
dirt,
mostly.
Mud, yeah.
Dirt, waxy grease. So before we actually start doing anything, the most fun part, the cleaning part.
We'll do some preventative maintenance for once.
Yeah. All right, we're making good progress here. What do we have here? It looks like a literal turd.
I think that's the original bushing in there.
That is so shot.
Some nice plastic.
Yeah, it's like roach plastic with like grease, dirt, and grit mixed in between. So.
Yep.
This one, I don't know if we'll be able to see here. Yeah, well, a little. Yeah, that one's pretty clean, pretty shiny on the inside, so I'll do a little more cleaning, but we're going to get the other one looking like that too. And then I think we'll start by pressing our bushings in to these new ones, and then we can start reassembling.
Got our bushings and our A-arm. Fits like a glove.
They do slide in a little bit easier than I would have expected.
Yeah.
So hopefully that's not a bad thing. Normally bushings you kind of have to press in, but these work pretty soft, so hopefully that's just
slide in and out.
Yeah. So put in the comments below if that's normal, and if it's not normal, then I guess tough break for us. I don't know. We're just gonna put it back together anyway. Seems like it'll work. Alright, we were having a bit of a dilemma here. So we took this apart, obviously, a few days ago. More than a few days ago at this point.
Almost over a week.
Yeah. Yeah, it won't be over a week to you guys, but it's been over a week to us. And these bushings here, hopefully this is focused. Let me stand behind it. These bushings have one rounded side and one flat side. And we don't remember which side goes toward the A-arm. But we've, by what process would that be? Process of guessing?
Process of using your surroundings.
By the process of both guessing and not really caring.
We have a 50-50 shot, basically.
we decided we're going to put the rounded part towards the A-arm. If that's wrong, tell us in the comments. We don't know for sure.
Switch it as soon as we see your comment.
Yeah, or we'll say we switched it, but not actually switch it.
Until it breaks and we can make another video.
Yeah. But we're going to go with this side towards the A-arm. We got all our parts laid out here. We're pretty much just going to throw them in. Hopefully these aren't like crazy tight fit. Well, actually, hopefully they are crazy tight fit.
Compared to what they were.
Yeah. But
if you saw in the last video, you could move the whole front tire like 2 inches forward and backwards.
Oh, it was bad.
Because
there was very bad. Oh,
there was so much play in it.
You know what? I already missed it. All right. So it's in roughly. Bolt in this way with our extra mystery washer.
Yeah.
This kit came with washers that it didn't have before.
Unless they just deteriorated off on the original.
It just had, like, the old ones just had the locking washer. Came with these, so we're going to use them. What the hell? I mean, what's an extra washer going to hurt? Right?
Extra support.
Yeah. Never seen yellow Loctite before. You ever seen yellow Loctite before?
I've seen blue and red.
I wonder what yellow
means. Chinese.
Yeah, probably. Probably is. It was Amazon. So. So we just need another 14 mil, put on the other side, and we can just crank them against each other.
Oh, and we'll get back to you in a second.
Yep. And we'll tighten those up a little more, but we'll tighten them fully once we get this all linked up. So I know with at least car suspensions, you're supposed to have it at ride height before you tighten down fully. I don't think that really applies in this case, but we'll still do it just to do our due diligence, right? But right here we've got our like lower ball joint, even though it's not technically a ball joint, but we'll just call it that.
The quad version of
yeah,
a ball
the quad version of a ball joint. Get that thing in there. And we've got a little castle nut. Called because it looks like a castle.
Yes.
Most people would know that, but you never know. Yeah, the kingdom nut.
We like to make our own names here.
So, tighten this guy up, and then we have our precision used pin going back in.
The retro pin.
Yeah. Everyone does this. If anyone tells you you can't put a used pin in, they're a liar. Right.
Yeah, the pin doesn't do much anyway.
I don't think I've ever replaced a pin anytime I've taken one of these bolts out. So, we're supposed to torque this too.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, I know. You ready? Yeah, that was 15. So, alright. I don't know where the hole is here. I'm trying to get it lined up.
That is what she said.
Look at that.
That pin is like brand new. Even though it's 21 years old.
It's brand used.
Brand used.
Okay.
Look at that.
Bottom's all good. Do a final tighten on these. And we'll move on to the other side. We're going to spare you guys, you know, the walk through that because you just saw here. It's the same, just a mirror image. So
yeah.
We will catch up to you guys once we got everything all put together. Just got both of the new bushings put on. They look and fit actually really good. Pretty happy with the fit overall. Owen is greasing up that side as we speak, and then we need to hit this grease fitting on this side. Make sure they're all packed with grease, real nice. We're probably gonna grease up these U-joints too. They probably haven't been greased in a while, so we're gonna just grease it up. It's pretty much the last step, and then throw the wheels on. Alright, it's done. No play. Greased up. Feeling good. And it's wheel time. We're going to throw these wheels on and then we'll close this puppy out.
These original tires.
Yes. The
21 years old.
Original tires on the green machine here. Maybe that's what we should call this thing. Green machine.
Green machine? Mean green machine?
It does need a name, so comment if you like the name Green Machine and we'll run it.
Or if you have a better name, comment that too.
Also, have you ever heard of Fantastic?
That's fantastic.
it was a successful wrench tonight. Yes. We got our new bushings in. Everything really, honestly, went pretty smoothly. I'm pretty happy with how the parts went in.
Yeah, I mean, for Amazon, that was pretty good.
It should last another 21 years, right? Because that's how old these ones are?
Yeah.
Well, we'll see about that.
Maybe a little longer if I grease it for once.
I don't think this thing will be alive in 21 years.
Nah, we'll keep it running. We'll keep it running for the viewers. Huge shout out again to All Balls Racing and Chicken Strips Cycles. You guys should sponsor us if you see this video.
Yeah. We like your logo.
Yeah.
Send us some more stickers.
These are the best stickers I've ever seen in a while. Gotta throw them on the old helmet.
So I'm sure we'll see you guys probably in a few days, a week, with another video. Make sure you stay tuned. Like, comment your opinions, your thoughts.
Roast us if you want.
Yeah, you can do that. You can do that. We always like that.
Especially Josh, who's not here. Roasted for not being here.
Don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, guys, remember, keep wrenching, keep ripping. We'll see you guys next time. Owen, what are you doing here?
Well, Ryan decided to put the tire on.
No, yeah, it was not
I gotta
me.
fix it.
Well, yeah, if you notice, there's a little more space to that
Kind of
strut.
like the stance, though.
Yeah, I was saying that it looked kind of funny, and then I figured out why. Well, that's okay. Yeah, you win some, you lose some. It's okay. I forgive you.
Thanks.